Good morning, Fillback friends and family. Welcome to another Trade-In Tuesday. This is Julie Simon coming at you from the Fillback location in Prairie du Chien. And today what we have for you is a 2019 F150XLT. It's a crew cab, 3.5 liter V6, four-wheel drive of course, ruby red metallic with the gray interior. Super clean. It was a one owner. This one is loaded. It's got the max trailer tow package, the chrome appearance package, and also has the power equipment group. Take a quick walk around, show you how very clean. 4 brand new tires. It's got the running boards. This one has got the hard tonneau cover. Like I said, max trailer towing package. So this one has about 47,500 miles. Open it up here so you can take a quick look. And we've got it listed at $40,000. So heated seats, navigation. Super clean trade-in. I took this one in myself. Great people, took really good care of it. So hey, give us a call. Let us know if you're interested. Number here is 608-326-4700. Fillback Family Dealership, where the customers first since 1948. Have a great day, everybody.